Hello and greetings, my friend, to another video here on the Red Delta Project YouTube channel, teaching the whole world to get stronger and fit through the power of calisthenics training. My name is Matt Schifferle, and today's video is the 101s on everything you need to know about suspension calisthenics. Now, suspension calisthenics is unique in the way that it utilizes suspension equipment. Oftentimes, mostly gymnastics rings qualify, or classic suspension straps, which are more of a handle with a foot loop. You could even maybe consider climbing ropes as a form of suspension equipment. Anything where you're suspending all or at least half of your body on some sort of a device that is hanging from an overhead anchor point, which offers a myriad of opportunities and adjustability as opposed to progressive calisthenics, which utilizes primarily just a pull-up bar and the floor underneath your feet. The best way to kind of think of suspension straps is basically like a weight machine that fits in your pocket. Because once again, as a form of calisthenics training, suspension calisthenics is a form of weightlifting. It's just you're the weight and you are utilizing the mechanics of the straps to adjust what type of training you're doing, your resistance, and other little details, making it basically one of the world's most versatile exercise machines that fits in your pocket and is very easy to stow away and travel with. Working with suspension straps gives you several big advantages. The first of which is a lot more adjustability of resistance. Like with progressive calisthenics, you adjust the resistance by adding weight to the working muscles simply by shifting it. So if I'm more upright like this, I have more weight on my feet and relatively little on my arms for these push-ups. But if I back up, now I've literally added weight to my hands, similar to adding a heavier dumbbell to my hands by shifting it from my feet to my arms. But now I can adjust it in small, easy to use increments and even on the fly, which makes things like drop sets really, really accessible. So I can do push-ups here until I'm grinding out and then walk out and utilize a lower level of resistance, similar to moving a weight pin on a stack on like a bench press machine. Suspension straps can also offer a wider variety of exercise options to make your toolbox a little bit bigger, including some things that may not be possible with progressive calisthenics. And again, offering lots of adjustability options and variations that can give you just what you're looking for to target individual muscle groups. And speaking of exercise options, suspension straps give you access to all kinds of body weight bodybuilding movements that you would usually need a gym full of equipment for, like rear flies, bicep curls, tricep extensions, and so on, that are easily accessible now to emphasize any individual muscle that you want to build up. Again, all from a piece of equipment that can easily be taken with you. And just like with progressive calisthenics, you want to utilize and program suspension calisthenics similar to what you would with regular weightlifting. So if you were doing lat pull downs, rows, and bicep curls for something in the gym for using machines, do the exact same thing with your straps, doing pull-ups, rows, and bicep curls, same numbers, same sets, same everything. Because a lot of times people get lost in the suspension world where they're doing a bunch of like functional training, kind of athletic, yoga, Pilates style exercises, which are all great. In fact, suspension straps are fantastic for developing stretching and mobility as well. But don't forget that if you want to build muscle and strength, you want to train in fundamentally the same way as you would with any other device. Still focus on the basic push, pull, squat, curls, tricep extensions, and things like that to really emphasize working the muscular work capacity of the muscles to drive strength and hypertrophy. And if you want to deep dive a little bit more into the world of suspension calisthenics, recommend my resources, my book, Suspension Calisthenics, everything you need to know about the basic exercises, setup, programming, and all the nuances to understand how to use the world's best portable weight machine that fits in your pocket. And of course, my Suspension Calisthenics playlist for details on specific exercises, technique, progressions, regressions, and the move of the week, which I'm always adding to as well. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you have thoughts and questions down below. I look forward to hearing all about your workout success. Be fit and live free.